Are you guys tired of seeing my face yet? Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Jazzy Time with your host Bailey. How's it going, everybody? I have another toenail art in the series of our 30 days of NAIL-O-WEEN. This one, I've never tried this before. I cross my fingers it'll turn out. You guys will know if it turns out just by the thumbnail. But I'm gonna give this one a shot. I don't know, I guess I'll call this like silhouetted cat or hidden cat or something. It's like a black cat and the light hitting it just right, and you can just see the certain features on its face, you know what I mean? Yeah. I saw this as a set of decals, but I'm gonna try and recreate it by hand. I don't have a screenshot of the decals, but yeah, I'm gonna try and give it my best shot here and see if we can make a cute little kitty. All right, hey bunny hands. Okay, so like I said, I've never done this before. I'm crossing my fingers that this is gonna work out okay. All right, so I have done, and don't mind the bunching here, I think it was because the tape was touching it. I have this one on with a piece of double-sided sticky tape, and it made my black gel polish 037 from Nail Innovations made it kind of pill up here a little bit, but that's okay. It's not going to affect anything. So I'm going to first do my cat's eyes, and then I'm going to do the rest of the features of its face. And again, like the other ones, I'm going to use my pigments to get a nice color gradient on the cat's eyes. So I'm going to start. And I wiped away the tacky layer so that my pigments only stick to my kitty cat's eyes. I'm going to do your classic cat eye shape. Try and get them as even as I can. Little tear ducts. Kind of look like little lemons almost. Okay, so I'm good. I'm happy with that. I'm going to cure that fully for 60 seconds. And while I'm doing that, so I'm going to do a classic cat's eye color. I'm going to do like, you know, yellow in the middle and green on the outsides. And again, I'm using my NSI HD 3D detail brush. Sorry, I just got the hiccups. And to do the features on the cat, I'm going to use 1613, 1530, and 1621. I'm going to do my best here. And I'm going to pause for a second. We still have 30 seconds on the lap, so I'll see you in 30 seconds my time, like a second your time. All right. Just removing the lids. So I'm going to do yellow down the center. And then I'm going to do green on the outsides. I was going to do blue at first, but I didn't think that the pupils and like the light on the pupils would show up good. You know what I mean? I'm just going to touch a little more yellow to the middle before I brush away the excess. So just like so. Ooh, the pigment is sticking. So I'm going to gently go with a cotton wipe here. around my eyeballs because for some reason it wants to not brush away. So if you ever get that situation, I like to fold up a cotton ball like super tight and just kind of make a pointy little corner and go around wherever I don't want that excess and to get that off there just like that. All right. Hello, good sir. How are you? So, whoa. You all right? Yeah. All right, so I'm going to go in with my gray color first. And I'm going to show you guys, you can see. So I'm going to I'm going to load my brush, but I'm also going to kind of pull as much of that color out of my brush as I possibly can, because I don't want like crazy amounts of color. Like I really want to have the color I'm placing very sheer, if that, you know, makes any sense. I hope it does. And I'm just kind of, I want it to look like the light's kind of hitting from just the one side. You know, just kind of like the nose. A little bit of the face. Oh yeah, Vinny's having a good time. No, just something like that. Maybe those little eyebrowy bumps they have. Fill in where the nose is a little bit. And then I'm going to open up my black and kind of work with that. Could you not lick that? That's really gross, Vinny. Why are children so weird? Can someone explain this to me? Vinny is licking the table. Alright. So now I'm gonna just go and put my pupils in. On my cat. Just like so. So I'm gonna just flash cure this for 10 seconds. Because I am gonna add some like very, very fine white hairs here and there to kind of help bring out a little more of the features, to not make it look just so plain. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna, just like the gray, I'm gonna super load, or I'm gonna load the tip of my brush. And I'm gonna try and keep the tip of my brush super pointy, because I want literally just, can you guys see me? Okay. Just the tiniest little touches. See what I mean? Just like itty bitty, like little white furs almost. To kind of outline that and still make it look fuzzy-ish. Vinny says. Woohoo. Just a little bit of a light gleam off of his nose. And then we'll add some, not that big. Trying to add super thin whiskers. I guess I'm going to really pull that color out of the brush. I want them almost non-existent, but I do want to see them. Looks super fun. Yeah, it's just like that. So I really pulled the color out of my brush. Like I really dragged my brush through the white. To get those super fine kitty cat. And then I'm going to do the little long ones that kind of come out of the tops of their eyebrows. And then I'm going to use a tiny little dotting tool just to add a little glimmer of light to his eyes. I'm going to fully cure that, and then I'm going to coat it in a shiny top coat so we can see all the features all at once. So I will be right back. All right, so there it is, all top coated. I love the way that looks. It's not exactly like those little decals, but I think it's super cute. What do you guys think? Minus that piece of tape there. There we go. I like that. Really cute. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. Make sure you like up this video, subscribe, hit that bell notification. I'm going to go ahead and get to another one for you guys. I hope you all stay tuned and stay jazzy.